I'm with Jack doing long leash training. Jack, so you can pick it's a good intermediate for off leash. So have the dog sit. So hopefully you've got sit, stay down first, and then Jack, come on, sit, down. Okay, yeah, untangle the leash. Sit, down, stay, stay, stay. Jack, come, good boy. Well, he got a little early, but it's an idea. Sit. Good. Dog should know sit. Down is helpful. Stay and stay. Stay. And if he breaks, just go back. Reiterate. Down. Stay. Keep the energy down. Stay. Stay. And then, Jack, come. Come on, come on. Good boy. And then I back up. So he comes to me and sits in front of me. Go. Oh.